Hey guys, welcome back to Big East Farm. It's almost vacation time, so we're trying to prepare for feeding and watering the animals. So in this video, we're going to be making or remaking our automatic waterers for our rabbits, so they can have enough water for the vacation time. Now we've got someone that's going to come and check on them just to make sure that everything is still a-okay, but hopefully they won't have to give them any water once we build this. Now, if you've seen any of my videos before, you're going to know that I've made these before. We're trying it a little bit different than what we have in the past, and that's just going to be switching out the nipple that comes out of the bucket, and hopefully that nipple won't leak like our old ones used to. And by nipple, this is what I mean. A barbed nipple. I'm going to put the size once I start drilling all of this on the video, and you'll see me drilling and putting those in, heating them up and making some threads. Anyways, once you get the threads done and everything like we showed you there, all you're going to do is take this over to where you're wanting to put it. This is going to be for rabbits, so we're going to put it over at our rabbits. And we're just going to set it up high. This is going to be gravity fed, and then it's just going to drain the water down to your rabbits' nipple or cup or whatever you want to put out there to water them. Now, all of these different cups and nipples and stuff we've ordered off of Amazon. So this is one of the first kind of cups that we got, and these were for our chickens. You could probably use some kind of style like that if you wanted to. That's just got the threads on the back. You could probably put your hose up on the back end of that, and it should work just well. Or these are quail cups. We've had them for our quail. These are going to shut off once they fill up here. Just like that. You're going to put your hose coming from your bucket down to that. Or you've got this style, which we've used before, and it comes with springs. And the nipple. All they do is they'll push in on this, and that'll give them plenty of water. It just squirts out. So you put your hose on the back of that. That's kind of like the barbed nipple that we've got on our buckets. Then they'll be able to drink. So anyways, we're going to set one up here. We've got 3 that we've got to build. We're going to set this up, show you how to do that, and then hopefully Enzo will know how to do this. And we've already got one sitting here. We're actually going to pull this hose off. As you can see, that hose gets dry rotted and everything from setting. These plastic tees, they rot, get broken. But if you change these out every year, you should be okay. But we're going to get this hose off of here and then set our bucket up, run our hose. Now our barbed nipple that goes on our bucket was a little bit bigger than what we expected. So what we needed was 5/16. We're just going to heat this a little bit and then squeeze it up on top of there. It should be fine, and keep it from leaking anyway. So, but the other side, these rabbit nipples are the right size, 5/16. So we're good there. Just got to heat this up, and we're gonna do it with a big slider. And just like that, you've got you an automatic watering system. Now these rabbits haven't ever used a nipple before. These are actually new rabbits. These are babies, so you can see them pile around here. I've got to get the air out of it and then see if they'll figure it out. I'm filling it up right now. Let's get the air out. Didn't mean to squirt them in the face, but easy as that. They'll all figure it out. And as you can see here, no leaks. And no leaks other than them getting the water out of it. And just like that, you've got 5 gallon worth of water for your rabbits. That will probably last up to a week. We'll see. We'll let you know.